Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a press on nail tutorial. So as you guys can see, I have my press on nails. I am going to be doing a full set today so you guys can see both. Normally I only do like one set and then I do another set like another day, but I thought why not. I also did my nails like a few weeks ago, so yeah. So I'm starting off with prepping the nails. I actually didn't end up doing like really prepping the nails because these nail tips that I have, they were pretty cool, that they were actually decent. I didn't really need to like file or anything. If it was like a normal square shaped like tip, I probably would file it because it might not be like the same shape that I wanted it to be, but this was fine. So I went in with my base coat, which is literally the first step in making press on nails. So I'm going to go in with my base coat on both of the nails and then I'm going to cure them and then I'm going to get back to you guys. So after curing the nails, I went in with my gel polish. I am using the Born Pretty gel polish. I feel like this gel polish, like Born Pretty, are pretty good company so far, which I've used. I don't have any like problems. I know sometimes like for me, I find that it's like quite like clear, I guess, so I do have to use like so many coats. Normally when doing nails I just do 2 coats, but I think I did 3 coats because it was quite light and I wanted the nails to be not dark, I would say, but just not see-through because we don't want that to be. So I'm going in doing that and then I did the other hand off camera.
And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard from far and wide.
So after curing, I'm finally moving on with the design. So this was a complex design and I decided to challenge myself because I'm always doing just simple French tip nails. So I was like, okay, Elise, if you want to level up, you need to try. So I did try and I'm super impressed. like with how it turned out. But yeah, I did end up doing those 3 coats because I just couldn't cope with like 2 coats. It was just horrible. So I did another simple layer of the gel, and it came out how I wanted it to come out as. So I'm now moving on. I'm only doing French tip on 3 of the nails, so that's the index and the ring finger. And then I did end up doing a French tip on the thumb because I just didn't really know what to do, and I thought I don't want to do too much because you guys are going to see the other nails and there is a lot going on. So I'm going to be doing French tip, and you guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching me doing this. I still to this day struggle with doing French tips, but I've improved and I feel like I'm more confident with doing them. I don't really need to like draw a whole, like layer it all out. I just freestyle. So yeah, anyways, yeah. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody build you up in a tree. So moving on, I've done all of the Frenchies, and now I'm moving on to my other design, which is basically like this crisscross with a bow, and I'm mixing the white and the dark pink because I want it to obviously be light pink, which is literally kind of like what I did to my nails, but I think it's going to be even lighter than that. So yeah, and I literally realized that after doing the whole French tip, I still had lots of paint left on my palette, and then I literally cleared all of that off, and then I realized that I needed that, and then I was just like, damn, I wasted so much paint. But you know, it is what it is. That's what doing nails comes with. So yeah, like, can we just appreciate the application, like all the nails? Like, can we appreciate the French tips because they're so nice? But yeah, I'm just gonna move on, and I think the next section I'm not really gonna do any talking until like the end of the video. So I just hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, the 10,000 bill, they get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-Class, that's just a start. I get plenty things counted life, but none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck, his chest gauge. Shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm on purple rain, Princeton, Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalists flush the magnets just so they not collecting my specimens there. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I played it back and forth is a Liam record. If I let you talk first, nobody is speaking second. Fluent and passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn, the boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped them, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, I feel like you being attacked, but that come with being attached. So how about we leave it at that? If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see the eye? And now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. I'm good. 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 He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he made me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do, all of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah.
So guys, this was the end result of the nails. I'm super impressed and proud of how they came out. So now it's time to package them. So I use Ziploc bags, and I do actually have a prep kit that comes inside, which is very, very handy. So definitely consider that when you're buying from me. No, I'm just kidding. So this is how they look. Super cute. Love that. Nails by E period. We love to see it. So now I'm just going to put them inside a Ziploc bag. I'm also going to put the prep kit behind, which has a nail file, a cuticle pusher, some cuticle oil, an alcohol wipe, and also has a thank you card inside there. And then last but not least, I'm going to add a sticker which says thank you. I am going to continue to make them more customized, but as of right now, this is what I have working for me. And yeah, super cute. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Oh, baby.